Welcome everyone to HueFin News. Today is September 9, 2018. This is our daily cryptocurrency market news analysis. We're going to give you our price predictions for the top 5 cryptocurrencies paired against USD. And if you're interested in learning any more about language analysis or even getting our language analysis for any other altcoins, then you definitely need to come on over to be a member of ours on the HueFin News Patreon page. There you get more exclusive content as well the ability to request an analysis for a different altcoin that you are interested in. So without any further ado, let's just get into our analysis for today. The market cap is still below $200 billion, which is a very negative sign as a whole for the cryptocurrency space. Hopefully a lot of the other individuals who did not have the opportunity to participate in that first buy move that we saw towards the ending half of 2017, definitely this is the bottom floor for a lot of these altcoins. They are trading exactly where they were towards that beginning half of December of 2017 before we saw that major increase in price to all-time highs for a lot of these altcoins. So definitely if you are new to the cryptocurrency space, you are definitely coming in at a pretty good time in order to start accumulating a lot of these altcoins, including Bitcoin. So these coins paired against the USD are definitely seeing some positive gains at this particular moment. Bitcoin is up almost 3%. XRP is up almost 3% as well. Bitcoin Cash is included with the bunch, but EOS is having a very fantastic day, almost up 8% as well. So a lot of these coins within the top 10 are seeing positive signs to the upside, except for Ethereum and Tether. So the first one out on the list is going to be Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently is being traded at $6,387.99. This currency is up 3.23% according to Coinbase. And for us to see what is going on in the market right now for Bitcoin definitely reveals that the market participants do not want price to break $6,000. Keep that in mind, because if that ever occurs again, then expect the market to have a very severe movement to the downside for Bitcoin. So as long as we are able to hold above $6,000 for Bitcoin, we'll live another day to at least consolidate to where that area is going to be held as support, and anywhere up towards that $6,800 is going to be the resistance area. Maybe fall a little bit shorter than that first, around $6,500. So the market definitely is trying to reverse its course from what occurred in the market yesterday. But we need to be careful, because I'm still seeing indications of weakness coming into the market for Bitcoin. Even though we was able to move higher in price, that $6,500 is still resistance though. So we are only consolidating from where we were previously in the background of this chart to where $6,500 and $6,300 is that channel in which I am expecting Bitcoin to trade. And the weakness is still coming into the market as of this particular moment, but it's not that weak. So as long as we stay above 63.60, 63.20, I'm still expecting Bitcoin to move to the upside. If we break either of those two prices, then expect a continuation to the downside to occur in Bitcoin. As you can tell here, though, we're not necessarily seeing any weakness coming into the market. So still expect this currency to move to the upside, but please understand that $6,400, $6,500 are areas of resistance. Now, onward to the next one, which is going to be Ethereum. Ethereum as well as moving to the upside. You can tell that this currency is up 2.81%. Last year was $202.54. And Ethereum has definitely been within a downtrend ever since the beginning half of this year. Definitely we have not been able to recover from the movement to the downside in Ethereum, and expect that to continue. Okay. Now we did move to the downside early out in trading today, which is a very positive sign to see that Ethereum at least caught some support and was able to move higher. And we actually are closing above the close from yesterday at this particular moment. Now the 3-hour chart definitely shows us, it pretty resembles what is going on with Bitcoin. Ethereum is still within a consolidation, so not too much has changed from what occurred during this particular time. We did get a very strong push to go down bar in the market, so $210 in or around that price 213, 214 is the resistance area for Ethereum, and $190 is support. So literally, the strength is still coming into the market right now in Ethereum. I am expecting this currency to move to the upside, but 210, probably to the lows of these particular bars, which is around $214, is the resistance area. So just keep that in your own in particular trades as to how high Ethereum can go. So yes, I'm still seeing indications of market strength coming in for Ethereum, but just understand that it is coming across some resistance on the smaller time frames. You can tell that 208 as well was resistance as well. So my analysis for Ethereum is for this market to continue moving higher, but just understand that it will come across some resistance to where I will be expecting some stockpile to come into the market and push this currency lower in price. Now the next one on the list is going to be XRP. XRP currently is up 2.81%. Last trade was around 28 cents. And you can definitely tell here for XRP is that this currency is just consolidating. We're not necessarily moving severely to the upside or even severely to the downside. We're consolidating just like what we did here during the middle half of August. 3-hour chart for XRP shows you that 29 cents is resistance. The market tried to break it on this particular 3-hour bar, and it still got indications that stockpile came into the market. Now I'm looking for XRP to continue to move to the upside as long as it stays above 28 cents. If the market stays above 28 cents for XRP, the continuation to the upside is still in play. And that's what I'm expecting to occur for this currency. Next one on the list is going to be Bitcoin Cash. This currency is up 3.16%. Last trade was $489.49. And we're still within the consolidation for Bitcoin Cash as well too. We're moving higher from the weakness that we saw over the last 4 trading days. So it is a very positive sign to at least see an update going on in the market for Bitcoin Cash. Taking a look at the 3-hour chart for Bitcoin Cash, you can tell here that a lot of these altcoins are doing the same thing. They're just coming right back to the prior areas of consolidation. And as of right now, we are actually hitting a resistance area for Bitcoin Cash, which is around $490. We tried to break it again on this particular 3-hour bar, and we've moved to the downside. But the market participants are still interested in higher prices. So I am looking for Bitcoin Cash to move higher. As long as it stays above $480, this currency will continue to move higher in price. 480 is support. 1-hour chart, still see the indications of market strength. $495 is resistance though, so just keep that in mind as we continue to move to the upside for Bitcoin Cash. If we're able to break it, then definitely we're going to move a lot higher in price for Bitcoin Cash to go through our trading for tomorrow. But the first resistance area is $495 though, so we may actually fall a little bit shorter for the fact that we did come in touching on that particular 1-hour bar. So now the last one for today is going to be EOS. EOS currently is up 8.57%. Last trade was $5.15. So we're still consolidating in EOS, just like what we were doing here during the middle half of August. We're right back consolidating to that same particular range. This currency did not break the low of $4.50, so that's very important for EOS to hold, for us to maintain the ability to move higher in price. Looking at the 3-hour chart for EOS, you can still tell that strength is still coming into the market. We received a lot of volume on this particular 3-hour bar, and we still continue to move to the upside. But I'm still cautious that we might only come up to $5.20 or even $5.40 into tomorrow's trading, especially as this volume is very light. So I'm not necessarily seeing a lot of interest to the upside. We may move just a little bit higher and then get more indications of weakness into the market, and then we'll get pushed back down to lower prices. So at least I am expecting some consolidation to occur in EOS for today into tomorrow's trading. And now if we do get a little bit more volume to come into this market, then $5.40 is definitely a logical area to see this market come. But as of right now, I just don't see that volume coming in yet, so I can't really state that the market's going to move severely to the upside that high. So again, if you're interested in learning more about what we possess here as an organization, come on over to our HueFin News Patreon page, and there you guys will have access to all of our exclusive content, even more things that we are providing our members, and as well give you the opportunity to understand how do we do this. In the meantime, make sure you all maintain your profitability. I will see you later.